Hi, welcome to our platform. This is Lorena, and today I'm going to show you how to use the class and student management function. Let's get started. First, we have to go to the teachers panel right here, and then we have to click on class management. Clicking on this button will take us to the list of the classes that we have already created right here. We'll also have the option to create a new class by using this button. Clicking on a specific class and clicking on Add and View Student will give us the option to see the list of the students that we have already added to our class. Clicking on ID cards will take us to a page which has all of our students' ID cards. It includes their class ID, their user ID, the title, and of course, their name. We can print out these cards and give them to our students so they can have them ready for when they need to log in. Clicking on ID email list will give us the option to go to a page that has pre-formatted email, and this email can be easily be copied and pasted so you can send it to your students. It also includes their class ID, their user ID, and a link to get them started. By clicking on Export List, we'll give you the option to download the list of your students if you need to save it for your records. Clicking on Class Settings will give us the option to change the color that has been assigned to our class. Then, by clicking on Save Class Settings, we'll see the new color right here. Clicking on Rename will give us the option to change the name for the class that we have already created or add additional information. Then, by clicking on Rename, we'll see the new name updated right here. Clicking on the Delete button will give us the option to permanently remove the class and students from this class. In order to confirm this function, we have to enter our user ID and then click on Yes, Delete Class. If we are not ready for this option, we just click on this button. Clicking on Archive will give us the option to archive a class, and the students in this class will no longer be able to log in. So we have to be ready and sure that we are okay with this option. The same as delete, we need to enter our user ID right here and click on Yes Archive. Okay, this has been an overview of the class management button function right here. If you do have any questions, you can always send us an email at efl@ourstoryscape.com and we'll be there for you to help you with whatever you need. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.